In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of a Facebook likes campaign, how you can set it up for yourself, and how you can actually spread it out to a worldwide audience to get the lowest cost for your likes. It's coming up. What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino here. If you're new to my channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, flipping stuff. If you're into any of those things and I can hopefully better serve you, make sure you grab the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of likes campaigns I've done, some pages I've built, and how you can do it yourself fairly quickly, and some of the tricks I use to keep those costs low. Now, stick around to the end because I got a bonus for you. Don't forget about that. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can grow a full-time income online. So I'll give you an example here. Here's my page. This is my personal page. If you go to the Learn More button, it sends you to my private group, and there'll be a link to that in the pinned comment down below. So this has like 1,300 likes. Here's the pinned post. I was on the Daily Show with Dave Sharp, or Legendary Marketer. So here's just some of the posts I put out. Some different things, some different, I'm going to show you where you can get some of these pictures to use for your posts. Some examples I got of videos here, but I grew this fairly quickly. It was a little slow at first because I was going organically, but once I ran a likes campaign, it actually blew up really quick. The next page I have here is called Kevin Recommends, at Kevin Recommendation. Now this is something I built out for advertising an affiliate product. This is literally just about dogs. It's just about dogs. To show you that in affiliate marketing, you can go into any niche. It's not usually just a make money online kind of thing, because a lot of people, if you stumble upon it on the internet, it's all that, like selling those kind of things. But really, you want to invest in training so you can sell anything. So here's the example of the website that I threw together and the offer. So this is just a simple bridge page, smartdog.kevinjpino.com. So what happens is someone goes to this page and they're interested in what I have to say. They click this button and it goes to the actual sales page of the product. Someone buys something here, I make a commission. This is a pretty good commission. It's like 30 bucks every time someone makes a sale on this page. But that's just an example of affiliate marketing being more than just a make money online, kind of buying products over and over and over again to make more money online. Is you can actually go into any niche with specific skills that I'll teach you about later. I digress. So this is, let's go into the examples for this page. So I got about 1,200 likes to 1,300 likes from the campaign I ran on this and Kevin J. Pino. So in my back office, the ads manager. If you don't have ads manager, you want to go set up a Facebook account. I think it's business.facebook.com. Set up an account there, and then you can open up this here. All right, so here's the campaign page. I ran this to view charts. I actually ran this worldwide. I'm gonna go here real quick, and it's a simple thing. I help people make the shift from average career to online entrepreneurship. Kevin J. Pino. It's that simple was the ad. And I ran this, got about 1,200 to 1,300 likes. It really wasn't anything special. It was simple. I can show you where you can get that picture too coming up. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video, get that bonus. Let's see, we'll go back to campaigns. Now for Kevin Recommends, go to the ad here. Let's view this. And right here, this is my likes campaign. That's it. Kevin's recommendations for great outdoors dog lovers. That's it. Very simple with a picture. And I just ran this targeted to people who like dogs. That's it. So let me give you an example of what you can do. If you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment down below from what country you're from so I can help make more content around where you live so it can help you make more and grow your influence. Back to the video. All right, so we're gonna do the campaigns here. We're just gonna create something here. Now there's 3 different things that pop up when you're creating a new campaign: awareness, consideration, and conversions. So we're actually gonna do considerations and traffic. If you go hover over here, it's going to say get more page likes, event responses, post reactions, comments, or shares. So we're going to click on that. Okay, and it's going to be 3 options: post engagement, page likes, event responses. We want page likes. Continue. All right, here's our new campaign. We're just going to leave it as new campaign. I'm going to scroll down, page likes, show more options, optional spending, limit. No, that's it. Now, here is the daily budget. You can actually set this up for very small. You can just do $5 a day and run it out for like 5 days. That's what I did. I spent $25 on these page like campaigns. I just ran it for 5 days. Ad scheduling, ads run all the time. Okay, so go to next. All right, so let's say we were going to do this for Kevin J. Pino. All right, so this is the ad set. This is where you set up your audience and when it's going to start. So create an audience. All right, so a custom audience, search existing. We're going to use something new, okay? Let's see, we're going to go to locations. You click edit here, and you can start adding countries. If I wanted to do New Zealand, I'd just type that in here. People living in this location, people recently, you can select that if they live there. Location here. New Zealand. You can do a whole country. You can even do a city. I could just do Boston, Massachusetts if I wanted to do. If I wanted to do a specific, I think I can even do a zip code. 01887. Yep, you can do an actual zip code to a town if I wanted to. All right, and I can zoom in all the way down to that. So if you're a local business, you can do a likes campaign for just your town. You could do it for just your city, just your region, your state, or wherever you're from. All right, here's a trick though. If you want to keep these costs super, super low, and it's not an issue of where the likes are coming from, you're gonna type in worldwide. And this will literally cover the entire globe. And if you set this up right, you can be getting likes for 1 to 2 cents a pop. Currently my age is 18 to 65, all genders, demographics, interests. So click on that. And this is where you start kind of just adding things they like. If they like online, business. Okay, so we have online business. You could do online business school. What else do we have? We have online marketing, right? Fields of study, interest, online advertisements. And I could essentially just fill this up with anything related to these topics. Yeah, I haven't messed with this detailed targeting expansion. You can mess with that, but just fill this up with anything in your area and just keep going. Make that audience as big as possible. Anything that's related to that. And then let's see, you can do automatic placement so it shows up everywhere. Click next. And now you would actually do the creative. Let's say, all right, this is just right there. This is the name of this is just the slogan for my page. I help people make the shift from there. You can edit the image. Let's see, change image. Do I have anything here? Yeah, this is the picture I used. So these are just pictures I have, and you can change this to anything you wanted. If I wanted to change it to online business, I could just do that. Continue. And run that likes campaign. If you don't have pictures, if this is an honest issue, obviously that picture is not going to work. If this is an honest issue for you, not having pictures, let me show you a trick. You're going to go to Pixabay, and this is free images that you can use for marketing. Let's say online business. If you want something like that, what do we have? Okay, free. You're looking for these free images here. Now just take a look. Let's say this is a cool one. If you're doing something like drop shipping, click on that there. All right, so this is a paid one. I don't want to use that one. Go back. Go back. We want to find just a free one. E-commerce selling. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I like this one. All right, let's say we're just going to do this. There's actually a background here. You just download this into the size that is appropriate, download it, and then you just upload it back into your page here. Oh, where'd my ads go? So when I went here, edit the image, that would be it. And then you would just publish, and then it would go into, just go into a review period and start running worldwide. And you can run that out for days if you wanted to. So I told you to give you a little bonus because it reminds me of when I was starting. Like, this stuff was very difficult. I mean, the first YouTube video I made to start making money online was literally me holding my phone the wrong direction, walking down the street on my lunch break, because I've been listening to other creators essentially build their entire business off the back of the internet for free in a lot of cases. Some people would start out like Uber driving. I did a little bit of that in the past, where they would just share their tips and tricks and strategies of what they used to do while they were Uber driving to make money in other areas. And some of them actually went and built websites and actually marketed their Uber program, like not just getting other drivers, but for getting passengers and whatnot, and then expanded outside of that, all of the products with that. And that's where I learned about affiliate marketing, where you don't actually have to create a product. You can learn how to market someone else's. You don't have to do fulfillment. You don't have to do any of that. And I actually started doing that myself by making videos, by reviewing carpooling stuff, and started to actually get into the referral space. And then I learned about an awesome program that taught me how to actually market anything and do what I just showed you how to do. And I went through the program and I made my first commission through them after 2 hours after going through the whole process of putting together my website and actually running ads. Just 2 hours, I made my first commission. So it was pretty sick. So if you want to get that training, go down in the description below. It's my first link there, my #1 recommendation to grow full-time income online. Click that, enter in your email. You're going to see a free video from me, and I'm going to introduce you to my mentor there. Go check it out. And make sure you whitelist my email once you go in there, all right? And oh, geez, I forgot to tell you, dude, I forgot to tell you this. Oh, geez. Click the video on the screen to learn more about what I'm recommending to you. There's a lot of free, great content coming up, and don't forget to subscribe.